Exposing the secrets in life support, how astronauts breathe, how they drink water in space, how they eat packaged food in orbit and stay comfy off Earth. Buckle up for 5 systems in 60 seconds. Air first. Oxygen comes from splitting water with electrolysis. CO2 gets scrubbed by chemical canisters on board, or by regenerative Sabatier reactors that make water and methane. Water, nearly everything is recycled on board. The ISS urine is processed and reclaimed for reuse. Condensate from the air is collected and purified. Wash water from sinks is treated and reused. All go through multi-stage distillation, and catalytic filters recover about 90% of onboard water. Food, mostly packaged and rehydrated meals, in orbit. Experiments, like veggie-grow lettuce in 0G for fresh bites. Thermal control, internal water loops move heat to external ammonia loops outside the station, and big radiators dump heat as infrared. Integration, computers monitor O2 levels. CO2 concentrations are tracked closely, cabin temperature is regulated precisely, and water quality sensors check purity continuously. Solar arrays supply power in sunlight, and batteries store energy for eclipse periods. That's life support. A closed system, smart, networked systems, and surprisingly efficient.